the most dangerous creature that's ever lived, I think. We've got the most brilliant intellect, and yet we're destroying our planet.
We're deeply concerned both by the alarming levels of spread and severity and by the alarming levels of inaction. We have therefore made the assessment that COVID-19 can be characterized as a pandemic.
Nosotros seremos enfermeros, seremos sanitarios, la parte científica, pero somos muy humanos. Está solo, tiene más miedo de lo normal y la situación es difícil. Y sobre todo es difícil cuando oyes los móviles que les están llamando y no pueden contestar. Y oyes el teléfono y sabes que es la familia y ellos no pueden hablar, muchos porque están muy mal o porque se han muerto.
The hardest thing about having a cancer diagnosis during coronavirus for me was just the fear. You have cancer on the left and coronavirus on the right, and you're wondering which one will overcome me. And you walk in and they're blasting 24 hours, all the stats of how many people died and how you're 30% more likely to pass away from coronavirus if you have cancer. And it's just horrible.
Predict there are 1.7 million unknown viruses in wildlife. Now, it sounds like a lot, but, you know, we estimate that it'll cost about $1 billion to find most of them. We should be doing that, at least to know what our enemy is.
The main reason that it's happened is our absolute disrespect of nature and animals, creating these conditions where a virus or a bacteria can jump into a human.
Doesn't care what country you're in, what gender you are, what religion you follow, what politics you're interested in, it just spreads.
Currently in the world, we have more than 1 billion people living in informal settings in cities. It means places that don't have the minimum standards of water, health, and sanitation. By 2050, it is expected that half of the population will live in those settings.
Nimekaa huko Kibera ya miaka 14. Na maisha yangu nilikuwa nauza vitu kidogo, kitunguu, mena, nyanya. Ndio nilikuwa nasukuma naye maisha. Wakati wa corona waliweka kafyu ati hakuna kazi. Tumedhaulika sana. Sasa sahi tuko tuna Mungu tu.
Globalization has created too many losers. Things are too optimized for maximum profits, not for maximum safety, security.
Mi nombre es Alberto Segura, tengo 46 años y actualmente pues sí, llevo aproximadamente unos 2 años y algo viviendo en las calles de Barcelona. con el tema de la epidemia sí que tuve miedo verdaderamente, porque claro, eran todo noticias pesimistas, catastróficas, cada día más infectados, más muertos y tal, y ahí pasé un poquito de miedo, la verdad.
Not sure if it's a virus, but we're certainly a plague, and we've moved away from any kind of spiritual connection with nature, and we've become greedy. And in the Western world, the god is now money, and success is counted as getting lots of money, lots of power, and we needed a different way of defining success.